المتين المعين الكريم ونحن على ذلك لمن الشاهدين والشاكرين والحمد لله رب العالمين. Ladies and gentlemen, my honorable teachers, dear student and respected audience, firstly take my salam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu.
Firstly, I want to say Durood Pak on Prophet Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam. Durood Pak recite Allahumma salli ala sayyidina shafi'ana habibana maulana maljana barik sallim. Salatu wa salam alayka ya Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam. Dear friends, manners of the Holy Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam. There are no need to ask. Creation regarding Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam, mannerism when the Creator himself stated, Innaka la'ala khuluqin azim, and undoubtedly you possess excellent manners. Surah Al-Kalam, verse 4. No enemy of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam has the courage to brand him as being immoral, uncivil until even today. For it all to be a negative presence, sun in the light of day. His excellent manners, humanity, compassion were all acknowledged by the even most ordinate of his enemy. State Allah Azza wa Jal, I have regarding Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam conduct with people. فبما رحمة من الله لنت لهم ولو كنت فظا غليظ القلب لانقضوا من حولك. Then it is the mercy of Allah that, O beloved, you became gentle for them. If you hard-hearted, then the certainly all have dispersed from your circle. Surah Al-Imran, verse 159. Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam enemies, if had heard this ayah but never did on the say anything in refusal to him, having excellent code and conduct and behavior. Nevertheless, he possesses all admirable traits and manners a person should have, e.g., forbearance, fairness, generosity, benevolence, spirit, humanity, hospitality, etc. Sayyida Asiya radhiyallahu ta'ala anha by summarized as Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam manners by saying kana khuluquhul Quran, practice of Quranic teachings, as Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam manners. Sahih Muslim, we present below some example balanced character, if a sunnah and character adopted by us, we shall indeed be successfully in this world as well as in the hereafter. Ameen. Wallahu ta'ala wal muwafiq al mu'in. Intelligence, as Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam. A short discussion of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam. Intelligence is necessary as all moral practice and theoretical excellence based on it. Thus we narrated with following hadith. Hazrat Wahab bin Munabih radiyallahu ta'ala anhu state, I have reading 71 different books, that if you all the intelligence people from the time of this world as being created until day of Qiyamah, be gathered and contested the intelligence of Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam. It all to be akin and negating. It all be akin to contesting single grand, sand to wall sand, descent of the world, meaning the intelligence, the Rasulullah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam, which is likened grand, sand to wall sand, descent of the globe. Muhaddis Abu Nuaym radiyallahu ta'ala in his book Huliya, and Muhaddis Ibn Asakir radiyallahu ta'ala have also narrated hadith. Zarqani, volume number 4, page number 250, and Sifa Sharif, volume number 1, page number 42. Wa ma alayna illa al-balagh. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.